Welcome back to TechForce, and today we'll be taking a look at another drone, the Redpawz R020 drone. Now, the packaging seems pretty bad, and it does make the drone seem a bit cheap and rubbish. However, when it does come to actually flying and using the drone, I would say that it's definitely good. The drone is about the same size as my palm, and it comes with a built-in 720p real-time camera, which provides decent video footage. So after unboxing this drone, you're able to get straight into flying. It comes pre-assembled with the battery fully charged inside the drone. However, the remote must be powered by 3 AA batteries, which aren't supplied. But this isn't a big problem. So if you want to get straight into recording some video, you will have to download the app and connect via Wi-Fi to the drone, which is a very straightforward process and will take no more than about 2 minutes. So once this is done, you can begin to view the footage for your phone. So in the box, we're also given 4 Propeller Guards. However, these are very difficult to put on, and whilst trying to apply 2 of the guards, a couple small pieces which are used to hold each of the guards in place managed to snap off. So I just didn't bother with them at all, even though I'd managed to apply the other 2. Now when it comes to flying this drone, it was actually a lot better than I thought it would be. It was extremely responsive and much easier to control than most other drones. So this drone is able to do 360-degree flips and also has a headless mode. As well as this, it has one key takeoff and landing. It can also change between 3 different speed settings. And all of these features are very useful and work very well. Taking a closer look at the camera, it's pretty clear and it can record decent footage, which is highly unlikely in most other budget drones. This drone is also able to capture decent photo where you are able to make out most of the objects in the shot, and this is obviously very beneficial. Therefore, overall I would say that this drone is definitely worth buying, but when I took a look at the price range of the drone, I was slightly unsure as to whether I would buy it. I mean, I would definitely buy it at around £45, but at the moment it costs £56, which may just be a touch too much. However, if you compare it to other drones in that price range, I think that it is a pretty good drone, and it does seem to be better than most of them. Therefore, I would recommend this drone to all beginner drone pilots, and once this drone has been mastered, I think that they could move on to something more advanced, like the DJI Spark. After all, I do think that this resembles the Spark in some way. It's almost like a miniature Spark. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And be sure to stay tuned for more videos, and remember to go ahead and check out this drone by clicking on the link in the description below. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.